Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Cruz. I'm so happy to say hello to everybody. The class for today is Phonics. The day is April 15 and the year is 2020. Are you ready for the class? The title for today's lesson is Contractions. What is a contraction? A contraction is a short way to write two words. A contraction is formed by putting two words together and leaving out one or more letters. An apostrophe takes the place of the letters that are left out. Now here we have some samples of contractions. Remember, a contraction is a short way to write two words. When you write these two words, they are together and you use an apostrophe. Let's see the samples that we have here. Was plus not. When you put them together, you take out the O, and instead of the O, you place the apostrophe. So the new word that you are going to have is going to be wasn't. Wasn't. Okay, let's move to the next sample. It plus is. It's equal to is. You take out the I, and instead of that, you place the apostrophe in there. Let's move to the next example. I plus have. It's equal to I apostrophe BE. Now, what is the purpose of this lesson? The purpose of this lesson, or the objectives, are that you can be able to identify the contraction with the negative form and apostrophe T and apostrophe S and apostrophe BE in words and sentences. Okay, look at the bottom of your page. It's page number 3. Read the instruction for page number 3. Read each pair of words. Make contraction. Circle the letter or letters that are replaced by an apostrophe. Write the contractions on the blank. Make sure that you follow all the instructions when you complete the exercise. Number 1, are not. The letter that is going to be replaced by an apostrophe is going to be the letter O. Take it out, and when you write the contraction on the blank, instead of write the letter O, you write the apostrophe. And the contraction is going to be RN. Number 2, they are. When you write it down, make sure that you circle the letter or letters that are going to be replaced by an apostrophe and write the contraction on the blank. The same thing you have to do for number 3. We will. Number 4, he would. Number 5, you have. And number 6, would not. If you have any question, go back to the previous page and find out and complete the exercise. When we talk about contractions, we must remember about the word one. One, it's a special contraction made from the words will and no. When you see the word will and no, it means that the contraction always is going to be one. Now, let's read the instruction for page number 4. Underline the two words in each sentence that can form a contraction. Then write the contractions on the blank. Number 1, he cannot sing. The two words that are going to be underlined is can and no. And what is going to be the contraction? Remember, when you have a negative, you always are going to take out the O, and instead of writing the O, you place an apostrophe. So the contraction that you write on the blank is going to be can't. Okay, the same thing you have to do for number 2. You will have to study and train hard. Let's read it one more time. You will have to study or train hard. The 2 words that you have to underline here is going to be you will. Okay, and then on the blank, you write the contraction that is going to be you. Number 3, they are enlisted in the armed forces and joining NASA. One more time, they are enlisted in the armed forces and joining NASA. What are the 2 words that are going to be underlined here? They are. And on the blank, you write the contraction. Astronauts. Training is not easy for women or men. That is number 4. Underline the 2 words and then write the contraction on the blank. Number 5, I am an astronaut. Underline the 2 words and then write the contraction on the blank. On page number 5, we have a new exercise. This is a contraction puzzle. Okay, you have across, which is horizontal, and you have down, which is vertical. You have the word bank at the bottom of the page, and make sure that you find the right contraction for each clue. Number 1, across, it's did not. 2 words that you need to find what the contraction is. And there you have, for number 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's square. Okay, what is the contraction for did not? The contraction is didn't. Okay, so you write the word didn't in the space across for number 1. The same thing you do for down. Okay, you place 1 letter in each square. So here you have the information for the homework. The first thing that you have to do is you need to study the information. You need to find out what a contraction is. The next part is you need to copy the pages 3, 4, and 5 in your notebook. And then when you have it in your notebook, you need to complete the exercise. Make sure that when you work in your notebook, make sure that your work is very neat and tidy. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.